good God. Bless me in every step I take. I have only you in this world, whom I sincerely trust and deeply love. But I am sad and hurt right now, and with this pain I pray you bless me, guide me, so I feel your care and boldly continue on my path.